Okay, people, we're going to talk about the zero conditional. I think it's a little bit dirty, so I'm going to clean you up. Much better? Yes. Okay, good. I have to use this one's. Where is it? Oh, like that. Because it's like this and like that and like this and like that and like this and like that. Okay. Yes, can you hear me? Brother, can you hear me? Feelings, nothing more than feelings. Okay, so the yes, I am crazy. You know I'm crazy. Let me move this. There we go. Okay, so what is a zero conditional? I'm gonna say this in Spanish. El cero condicional. What is it? Do you know? No. Okay. Let me explain to you what is a zero conditional. Look, 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 look. You can see everything. Oh, it's like magic. Look. Okay. So the zero conditional is when you use the zero conditional when you talk about something that is always true. Like for example, um, if it rains, it pours. I don't know. If it's day, the sun will come up. I think so. Or one easy one. If you are happy, you will smile. Yes. If you are sad, you will cry, right? So the stereo conditional is something that you do and then the consequence. Let me show you what I'm trying to do. Let me show you this one. Here, that's your zero conditional, okay? Zero conditional structure if plus the present simple and then the present simple. It's used to talk about things that are always true, like a scientific fact. For example, if you freeze water, it turns into ice. Freeze. You have to look for the word freeze, okay? And if you heat water at 100 degrees, it boils. If students miss an exam, the professor fails them. If my wife has a cold, I usually catch it. If I get tired, if I get tired if I work too much. And if I'm late for dinner, they start eating without me. Okay, now look at this one. Everyone knows, yes, everyone knows who's that one. Okay, let me move this one here. Let me move that one here, and we're gonna put it like that. Yes, that way I'm not going to, ooh, Mickey Mouse está moviendo. Okay, good. So it says, if you go to Disneyland, you will meet Mickey Mouse. There he is, right? So that's basically one. Now let's go to the other one. If you go to Paris, you will see the Eiffel Tower. Si vas a París, vas a ver la Torre Eiffel. If you go to New York, you will see Lady Liberty or the Statue of Liberty. Okie dokie. So basically, that's the first conditional. The zero conditional. Now, the first conditional is there. We use it to talk about the result of a possible event or situation in the future. What does it mean? Well, when something is going to happen in the future, it means that you have an event and then you have the result, right? If you don't sleep, you will be sleepy all day. If you don't eat, you will be hungry. Yes. If you don't study, then you will fail the exam. Yes. If you study, you will pass the exam. Yes. Okay, so let's see now here the graphic. Condition and the result. If. So, remember this one has the will, okay? So let's see what we're talking about here. We use the first conditional for different situations like predictions. If we do not leave now, we will miss the train. Offers, if you want, I will do the dishes. Warnings, if you touch that wire, you will get an electrical shock. Threats, if you do that again, I will call the police. Okie dokie. So, we're not going to do the exercise, right, of those images because you have the exercise on your book. So that's that's the zero conditional and the first conditional. Zero conditional, true facts. First conditional, something that might be true. Okay? See you on the next class, people. Bye bye.